हमारा लॉयर बन जाए, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर बन जाए, तो ये बहुत अन्याय हो रहा है. एंड आई वांट टू आस्क एवरी राइट थिंकिंग person from Tripura, do we need more people illegally coming in from Bangladesh? Have we not suffered enough? Is it only the fight of Tiprasa people to stop these Bangladeshis from coming in, these Rohingyas from coming in? Is it only our fight, or is it everyone's fight? Isn't it every Indian's fight? People today are illegally coming in from Myanmar. They are coming in illegally from Bangladesh. And what are we doing? We are keeping quiet. Why? Because it suits our vote bank politics. Is everything about winning the next election? Or is it also about protecting your next generation? There's a big difference. Some people want to protect their next generation, like me. And some people want to win the next election, like many of these people. घर में आप इन लोगों को रख कर, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि लैंग्वेज सेम है, बात करने का तरीका एक है, तो आपको लगता है कि ये लोग हमारे ही हैं. नहीं है. दे आर नॉट आवर पीपल. सेकेंड बात है कि अगर आपने, हम तो सीए के खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लड़ रहे हैं और लड़ते रहूंगा, लेकिन सीए में एक कानून है कि एनीवन हु is coming into 6 scheduled areas